Hi, I'm Aziz.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Welcome to our home. So basically, I actually searched through Facebook. So I saw a Renopedia page. So what happens is they asked me to drop the floor plan and also to fill up my particulars and what theme did I want, what budget I'm looking for, what things that I want to do for my house. Okay, I think it was quite prompt. I think after that I sent my floor plan to Renopedia, they called me up and told me that they'll be sending 5 shortlisted ideas for me to consider. It's Simon from Dream Home Concepts. Reason why we choose him ultimately is because of his work rate, his determination, his personality. Ultimately, the price is very competitive and he can attend to our needs.
Choose Simon because I love his personality. He's very kind and very helpful. When we ask him about our concept and everything, he can explain in detail and I like it.